Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are safe at home. And as you know, it's our maths class. So, we are going to start our maths class. Are you ready for that? Okay, let's start that. Today, we will do exercise 3.4. Earlier, we have done subtraction without borrowing. And today, we will do subtraction with borrowing. So the first question is given in our exercise, that is subtract. Means they have already given the numbers and they have arranged them in columns. We just have to subtract them. So let's start our first sum. Here is the first sum. We have to subtract 8 from 21. So as I told you, first of all we will subtract ones place digit. Here we have to subtract 8 from 1. Now you just tell me, if you have only one candy and I am asking just give me 8 candies, can you give me? Are you able for that? No, you are not able for that. Means if you have only one, how you can give me 8? So what we will do? We will take one borrow from 2 tens. Means from here we will take 1 tens. If we will take 1 tens here, it will become 11. And dear students, don't forget to decrease this number. Why we will decrease this number? Because from 2 we have taken 1 10 and we have added that to 1. So now here is only 110. Now we can easily subtract 8 from 11. So if we will subtract 8 from 11, our answer will be 11 minus 8. It will be 3. Now here 1. We have to subtract any digit? No. Here is only one digit. So we will write this digit same here below the tens place. Now the answer is 13. Now we will move to the next question, next part of the sum. Here this is given 817 and we have to subtract 448. The same problem we are facing here. We cannot subtract 8 from 7. Why? Because 7 is smaller than 8. So what we will do? We will take one borrow from our neighbor. Who is our neighbor now? Tens is our neighbor. So what we will do? We will cut this and we will add 110 to 7 ones. Now it is 17 and here nothing is left, means it is 0. Now we can easily subtract 8 from 17. As I told you, don't forget to decrease this number. Here is 17 and we have to subtract 8. Now easily we can subtract 8 from 17. Now you subtract 17 minus 8. Yes, answer will be 9. Now come to tens place digit. Here is 0 and 4. Can you subtract 4 from 0? No, we can't. Again, now this time, earlier our neighbor was tens, but now our neighbor is hundreds. So we will take 1 from here and it will become 10. And now here 7. Now we can subtract 4 from 10. 10 minus 4, answer is 6. And here 7. Now you will not subtract 4 from 8 because now the digit is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So here the answer is 369. The next question is given in our exercise that write in columns and subtract. Means we have to write and then we have to subtract that. First question is given 857 and we have to subtract 668. So as they have not arranged that in the columns, first of all we will arrange in columns. Bigger digit always we will write first and smaller digit next. So the first digit is 857 and we have to subtract 668. Here we will put the symbol of subtraction also because we are subtracting. Again we cannot subtract 8 from 7. What we will do? We will take 1 tens from here. Now it is 17 and this place it is 4. So now we will subtract 17 minus 8. Answer will be 9. Here now 4 and we have to subtract 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 4. So again we will take one borrow. We will take one borrow, then it will become 14 and here 7. So now you subtract 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 will be 8 and 7 minus 6 it will be 1. Answer is 189. We will take one more example. 801 minus 426. Again we will arrange them in column. 801 and 426. Which symbol I will put here? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction, because we are doing subtraction sums. Here is 1 and we have to subtract 6. We can't subtract 6 from 1. So what we will do? We will take borrow from our neighbor. Our neighbor is tens, but he is not having any digit, any numbers. He is also 0. So first of all, tens place will take one borrow from hundreds place. Means here it is 7 and now here it is 10. Now ones place digit can take from tens. We will cut this and now this is 9 and here it is 11. 11 minus 6 it will be 5. Now what is there? 10 or 9? 9, because 110 our ones place digit has taken. So 9 minus 2 answer will be 7 and here is 7. 7 minus 4 it will be 3. Answer is 375. So like this you will solve all the sums firstly in your notebook, rough notebook, and after that you will copy the same in your maths notebook.